Okay. Dito tayo para testingan ang metal detector model MD3010II. I just bought this metal detector like 1 week ago for $150 from TradeMe. Di ko alam kung gumagana ng maayos to kasi talaga napapansin ko na lagi siyang nagsisignal kahit wala naman siyang nadidetect. So let's try. So dito makikita nyo na mayroon siyang settings na pwede mo siyang i-off na hindi siya makadetect ng iron, aluminum, or gold or silver. So like this. Okay, so i-setting natin. Yan, naka-X yung iron. So pag walain natin yung X, pagtanggalin natin yung naka-X na yan. Oops, like this again. So wala na yung X. Enter. Ganito ang mangyayari, no? Tunog siya ng tunog. Ayan. Tunog siya ng tunog. Iron. Ayan, nasa silver siya ngayon. Lagi siyang may nadidetect. Ngayon, iron lahat, no? Lagi siyang iron. It always detecting iron. It says on the display. So gawin natin, tanggalin natin si iron. Tanggalin natin mode and enter. Okay, yan. Tinanggalan natin, naka-X na si iron. Yan, iba na naman ang nadidetect niya. Nasa silver naman. Napansin niyo, kung steady natin, see, wala naman siyang nadidetect pag steady. Pero pag ginalaw mo, like that. Okay, meron siyang nadidetect silver. Silver. So this is the problem of this metal detector because it always detecting something. It is always detecting something on the display. But if you repeat pointing into one spot, it will disappear. Look at that. But when you move, see, it's detecting again. It's weird. So I just wasted my money for this metal detector. I should buy another model. Meron dito. Okay, so nawala yung signal. See, kanina nasa silver pero nawala. Wala. Weird. Excited pa naman ako na masubukan ito dahil yun ang aking habit na pag walang ginagawa, mag metal detector. Kaso disappointed ako sa nabili ko na product. So, ito ganda pa naman ang lugar. Ito yung isa sa mga park. Doon river. So pwede dito, actually pwede tayo maligo dito sa ilog na to. This is a good park. Look at this. Some people are doing camping in that place. And see this. There are picnic bench. Look, that's my son. He's just playing cell phone. He's bored. GP, okay ka lang dyan? Okay ka lang dyan? Ang kati, ang daming nangangagat na insekto. Lagi siyang may nadidetect talaga. See, aluminum. It's detecting aluminum now. So dito may nadidetect siyang aluminum. Let's again. So it says aluminum. Let's try again. So it's detecting aluminum. See that? Aluminum. In this spot. Let's pinpoint it. So let's try this spot. Tingnan natin siya kung mayroon ba sa talagang nadidetect. Because he's detecting aluminum in this spot. Okay, let's see. Wala na, kanina aluminum. Nadidetect niya. Ayan, wala na. See? Nawala. See? Nawala. Ayan, silver. Ngayon, aluminum na naman nadidetect niya. Wala. On and off. Hindi ngayon silver na naman. Nakakaloka. Okay, so It's nothing there. I know it's nothing there. Yes. So silver. Let's try here. Dito, may nare-detect siya. Ano naman nare-detect niya dito? Worst metal detector. I don't know if some people have also the same problem that I have now, that I'm having now with this metal detector. I watched reviews and videos in YouTube regarding this kind of metal detector model, and it seems that they are also having the same problem. Okay, it's better to stop. Makati na yung paa ko. Look at the katina. Ang dami na nagagat. Let's go, JP. Come on, let's go home, Nak. Let's go home.
The last time when I played this, I'm the winner of the last time because I'm in one.
You're the winner.
Yeah. Like the
Okay,
last
can you
time.
hold this thing? Can you hold the shovel, please?
The last time
Thank
I'm
you.
one, then now I'm four. Because I'm
Wala talaga. Nag-attempt na ako ng metal detector doon sa beach 2 times. Wala rin ganun ang problem. So dito rin ganun din ang problem. So I don't know if I installed it properly or not. So maybe it's just the type of metal detector that is not really good. Hang on. So uuwi na kami. Kararating lang namin ng maybe 30 minutes ago. Okay. Hi, I help you. Your head. Watch out. Okay.
shovel.
Unsuccessful mission. Let's go home.
Yeah. Our home is nearby.
So yan ang river. Sarap sana maligo dyan sa river. It's Christmas. It's December 25 from New Zealand. Merry Christmas to everyone. To all families and friends in Philippines, Merry Christmas to all of you. And what can you say to our friends in Philippines, GP?
Everyone.
What can you say to everyone? It's Christmas today, so what can you say to all of them?
Huh?
It's Christmas today. Remember, today is December 25th.
Oh,
Don't do like that.
the snow.
Don't do like that.
The snow.
Ano masabi mo?
The snow.
Just say Merry Christmas.
For Christmas.
Okay, stop natin ang picture. Uwi na kami. Okay, bye-bye.